Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Design. So we're out here with this TRD Pro Tundra, and I bet you're looking at this Tundra and you're going, I don't recognize that color. It's because it's not the color. It's actually magnetic gray underneath, and this is a red wrap. This truck's actually been into our shop a few times. We've done work on it over the course of its life. It's got our Westcott Designs lift kit in it. It's got a set of 37 12.5 by 18s on the factory TRD wheels. One of the things I want to talk about is not just what it's had done, but what's underneath the hood on this thing. And what's underneath the hood is really impressive. So a lot of times you see what's on the outside, you can't always see what's on the inside. But I'll continue on, we'll work our way into there. It's got a set of our Westcott Designs 0 degree DOM TIG with no kick out rock sliders with top plates. I believe these do have a wheel spacer on them. We did do a body mount chop on it. We did push the liners back here in the fenders. It's got one of ADD's front bumpers on it. I want to say this is the Stealth. I may be wrong, so correct me if I'm wrong, comment below. You can just see what it says behind here. It says Magnuson. And you're thinking, Magnuson? They usually do superchargers. Well, in this case, this wasn't a supercharger. This was actually their intercooler upgrade kit with the high flow. This is air to liquid intercooler setup. And so this is the front mounted intercooler here. And then around with that whole package, you get the Magnuson catback exhaust system on it, and it has quite a rumble. What can I expect out of this thing? How much performance really can this thing have being these 37s? Well, after getting out and driving it, it does have quite a bit of rumble. It does sound really nice, just a nice tone to it. But they rate this thing at 80 horsepower, and I would tell you that I believe it is 80 horsepower, every bit of that. The truck drives like it doesn't even have 37s on it now. And I looked to see what this kit costs, and it's about $3,900. It's actually $3,836 or something like that for the kit. But I would say for the dollar amount, between, I don't know, I can't tell you gas mileage. We haven't gone out and done any gas testing on it. The customer will probably get that data from him down the road, but I will tell you this, it was very impressive. For the amount of money it cost for the 80 horsepower, I would say it was well worth it, because a lot of times you buy these superchargers for these, like the last gen Tundra or the 4Runner, they rate those at like 100 horsepower, and at the wheels probably around 70 horsepower. And that supercharger costs $9 grand, and then you've got the additional cost to install it. So let's do this. I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna share with you just what it is. Open up the hood here. Just right off the bat, I can see the intercooler set up here down in the front. And then obviously this is an air to liquid, so it's got a big chiller intake set up here. So it runs the liquid through here. So it has intercoolers that are the intercooler, the cooler in the front here, and then the coolers in here, and then it pumps air through those charge panels inside there to help cool the inlet charge as it goes into the motor. And then you can see here the air boxes on both sides. It has separate air intakes on each side. You can see the couplers, you can see the hoses. All that stuff's super nice, super clean looking. When I look underneath the hood, I think they did a really nice job on this. It just stands out. It's not like it's got a plastic cover over the top here and it's hidden underneath there. And it's quite large, the whole setup on this. Hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, again, would love to hear from you. Love to do stuff like this for customers, and then hopefully we hear back from them and they tell us, wow, I'm really glad I did that, or I'm really glad that was suggested to me. And you know, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and something a little different. And comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And if you're not subscribed, please get subscribed to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.